Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with the Year of the Julie Nutting Take Swap, and this month's theme was Easter. And let's check it out. My partner was Jay from Tjayebirds Journey on YouTube. Oh my God, this is so adorable. Look at guys, how she did this. It's got Easter egg paper all on the background. She's got a little chickadee here in a basket, and it says Happy Easter Egg Hunt. And she has these little styrofoam eggs that she cut in half and has them on there, the little chickadees, some Easter eggs, and some flowers. Got the ribbon. It says Happy Easter. So cute. I love how she did the dress. She's got it, and it's probably got glossy accents on it. And then on the back, it's got a little chickadee and a button made for you by Jay. YouTube Tjayebirds Journey, Year of Julie Nutting Tags, April 2021. Not too many months left. I guess this month and the next month. And then it's going to be 1 year. The only one I didn't do was July. So I'll have to make my own July tag. Then I'll have a year's worth of Julie Nutting. So cute. I love this. Like, what a creative idea to take the little styrofoam eggs and just kind of cut them in half and stick them so they're flat on a tag. It's so cool how I have come to realize of the tags I got through this year, past months, how talented we come up with ideas on these tags. How we stick things on them and three-dimensional, and it just works. I like how she's got I like this paper in the background, but she's got another like striped paper here. And then the little chickadee. I think these are Dollar Tree stickers. I could be wrong, but that's cute. At the Happy Easter Egg Hunt, and then the little chickadee in a basket. It's just shiny, shiny. So that is my Julie Nutting tag for this month from Tjayebirds Journey. I will have her channel linked in the description box, so why don't you guys go over and check her out. I've had fun doing these. Like I said, I got a few months left, and the year's done. And I enjoy it. I'm going to make my own 4th of July tag, because by the time we get to that one, okay, I rotate my holiday stuff. So I'll be putting Easter away. And I think the next holiday would be 4th of July stuff. So I'll be pulling that out. So I'll be making my own 4th of July tape for my collection. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Jay, I love this. Again, very talented lady. Love it. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.